All right, guys, good morning. It's Mark with Crypto for Seniors. So today I went downstairs into my office and found out that Iceriver has just released the brand new, and let me go back here, the brand new Iceriver ALPH Miner. So this looks kind of familiar, doesn't it? So just like the KSO Pro, price is $799. Now, I will tell you that I did look at this at one time. This did appear that it was sold out. I'm looking at it right now, and somebody's transaction probably did not go through. So it looks like it is still available. You're going to get 400 gig hash for 100 watts. Now, guys, that's a heck of a deal, especially if you're brand new to mining. This is a perfect little home miner. You can put this in an apartment, in a trailer. You can put it in your home. 100 watts is just like a light bulb, so it is not very much. We'll take a look very quickly at what the cost is. However, I did want to bring this to you quickly, just in case you do want to jump on this. All right, so that's what it's going to look like. And let's just take a look at the description. 400 gig hash plus or minus 5%. 100 watts, not a big deal. And okay, so the connection is going to be Ethernet. So you will need to have the cord. A lot of times they can do a Wi-Fi option. It does not appear that that's what they have with this offering. So that's what it's going to look like. So here is, once when the transaction was over, this is what I got. I will tell you that I did buy this. This is something that was not a gift or given to me, promo. My total cost was $853.93. Now, shout out to the hobbyist miner. If you use the word hobbyist, you are able to get about a $20 discount. So I would strongly suggest, if you're interested in doing it, that you use the word hobbyist, okay? So let's go over here and take a look. Now, here in the Midwest, my electric rate is right around 10 cents. That's what it is now. It is going to jump to 13 cents, but let's just take a look at 10 cents. That's kind of the average across the country. Real simple math when your electricity is 10 cents, right? So it's 24 cents a day because you're going to run this 24 hours a day. What does that equal a month? Well, it's $7.31 per month. For your year, it's $87.66. So hopefully you can afford that out of your pocket, so you are able to hold and sell. That's up to you. Now, the large ASICs will be coming shortly, so you will see the hash rate start to go up. Hash rate has already started to go up a little bit on this. However, these mini miners, you're not going to make a tremendous amount of money on them, right? They are more for the fun and the excitement of, being a part of the community, the mining community, and I kind of like them. I'm not going to go crazy and buy a bunch of them. I've only bought the one, and I will bring you what the 1 day, the 1 week, and what the 1 month profitability is going to look like. So, guys, that's it. Listen, if you want to jump on this, I would highly recommend you do it extremely quickly. And I know that this will sell out as they typically do within just a few hours of going live. Now, full disclosure, it did take about an hour and a half for the transaction to totally go through. Okay? So if this is something that you want, jump on it quickly. If not, I will bring you the profitability, and you can pick one up in the later batch. That's it for me today. My name is Mark with Crypto for Seniors. Guys, have an amazing day. Catch you soon.